What if an AI could build your entire dropshipping business? Find winning products, price them up for profit, and list them automatically to your store. That's exactly what Doba Pilot claims to do. And if you've ever tried to do a dropshipping store by yourself, you know it's not easy. You have to find product, check suppliers, calculate profit margin, write product description, upload everything to your store manually. And doing all of that manually can take even hours or days. But Doba Pilot takes a different approach. Instead of clicking through menus, you simply talk to the AI. And what's exactly this Doba Pilot? So it's basically an AI agent designed for e-commerce and dropshipping. So instead of showing information, the AI actually executes tasks for you. For example, it can help build your store, source products, optimize pricing, and list products automatically, all inside a single chat interface. So instead of managing 5 different tools and jungling them, you just tell the AI what you want and it executes. Simply go ahead and type ai.doba.com. You can see here is the AI chat interface, which is where everything happens. Instead of navigating through complicated dashboards, you do have right here even quick helpers as quick listing, smart sourcing, auto dropship, store build, and setup. Right here, for example, I can simply type right here. So find 10 kitchen gadgets under $40 with at least 25% of profit margin. You can see within 5 seconds, it gave it all the list right here. You can select all and list to your store. And you can see right here the AI picks too. As you can see, each product includes price, supplier info, profit margin, shipping details, and one thing I really like here is the logistic advantage. Many of these products are from US-based warehouse, which means fast shipping for customers in the United States. So that's a huge advantage compared to traditional dropshipping where shipping can take weeks. Let's actually test the US warehouse advantage. You simply go ahead and type find 10 trending products shipped from US warehouse within 3 days. And now it's filtering the results. Fast US shipping is something customers care about a lot because faster delivery usually means higher customer satisfaction, fewer refunds, and better store reputation. As you see right here, it gave everything I've asked. Now let's move forward for the next step. Listing the product. You just go over here because this normally process requires writing product titles, creating descriptions, setting pricing, uploading images. But here I can simply select the products I want. Right here, even select all and type list these products to my store and just enter. Let right now the AI to do its work and you can see the progress bar running, showing the product syncing to the store right here. You can see understanding your needs and just continue your task. So you can see right here, everything, continue task, and you can see the bar will be running and progress will be. You can see right here listing 10 products to Shopify, estimated time, and it's so simple to do e-commerce in 2026 with Doba. And if you want to list them to your store, things get even better when Doba Pilot has an optimized title section right here. It will get you better conversion and the AI also applies a smart pricing rule automatically. By default, it sets about 1.2x profit margin, but you can customize it right here through the chat. So let's say 1.9 multiplier and shipping fee, comparator price, original price, and instead of manually calculating prices, the AI handles it. Now here's one of the coolest features. You can actually trigger an entire workflow with one command. Right here, create a store, pick 10 outdoor products and list them with a 20% profit margin. Right here, just enter. So this activates store setup, product sourcing and listing all in one flow. That's basically what makes Doba Pilot different from most e-commerce tools. Behave like a true AI agent. As you see right here, you just need to confirm and continue the task and it will automatically do everything from now on. Pick your store style, home, garden and tools. Let's say this color, pick a banner. I really like this one. Next, you do have everything. Right here, I really like about Doba Pilot that it's so simple and fast because when things get easier and faster, everything is more smoother and we get more conversion. And what I found very interesting about Doba Pilot is that it removes a lot of manual work from dropshipping. Instead of jungling between multiple tools, you interact with one AI assistant that manages the workflow, and features like AI product sourcing, automated product listing, US-based warehouse listing, and built-in optimization. So it's really powerful tool for e-commerce entrepreneur. So if you want to try it yourself, you can access the link below and test the AI, test every feature that it's got,